So hi guys, my name is Varun, and if you are planning for data analyst role or you are trying to give interview for data analyst role, then this video is for you. So in today's time, if you are going for Power BI interview, so with only Power BI will not work there. At least you know Power BI, SQL, Azure Synapse, or and other things. Because recently, what I have found out, like when I with few of my friends, I have checked regarding the details of what all things are going on in the market. So they were asking me they got to know KQL, Azure, Synapse, and these things in interviews. They are getting questions. So I have tried to understand what is KQL and what is Kusto query. So let's see some theory here. Uh, uh, KQL, its full form is the Kusto Query Language. Again, it is a uh, powerful tool to explore data and discover pattern, identify anomalies and outliers, create a statical model, and more. Okay. KQL is a simple yet powerful language to query structured, unstructured, and semi-structured data. Okay. So you can understand it is again it's a query language like the SQL. Okay, but there are syntax changes. Okay, it's not 100% similar. Probably you can say concept could be the similar. Only query structure is different. And what is Kusto query? So Kusto query is a read-only request to process data and return result. Again, which your SQL will do. Okay, so I have given here, I have taken this definitions from direct Microsoft website. I don't want to differ with that. And in the statement, so what is query statement? So there are three type of statement: tabular expression, let statement, and set statement. So this was the theoretical introduction about the KQL. Okay. So how you can start learning on this side. So for that, let me open the web version first. So here you can see this is the web version of Azure Data Explorer. Okay. And for this, there is a desktop version also. So you can see here, this is the desktop version of Quest Explorer. Okay. So now, uh, for for to understand better, in this you will see cluster and database. So server, in SQLs we have SQL Server, then we have database, and then we have table. Here we have cluster, then database, and then table. So this is the typical format. Okay, and in next video we will understand how we can start the journey of KQL. I think that's all for this video. Thank you very much, guys.